This blue diamond tri-ply cookware set is a great addition to any kitchen. It includes 9.5 and 11 inches frying pans. These skillets are made with stainless steel and have a ceramic nonstick coating. This makes cooking and cleaning easy. The diamond-infused surface helps food glide smoothly. The blue diamond tri-ply cookware set, stainless steel, has a multi-clad construction. This means it has layers of different metals. These layers help heat spread evenly across the pan, so you won't have hot spots that burn your food. This set is also induction compatible. You can use it on any type of stovetop. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after you cook delicious meals. This blue diamond tri-ply cookware set, stainless steel, is also oven safe. You can start cooking on the stove and finish in the oven. The pans are free of PFAS and PFOA. These are harmful chemicals sometimes found in nonstick cookware. You can cook with peace of mind. The silver finish looks sleek and modern in any kitchen. It's a reliable set for your everyday cooking needs. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: tri-ply, stainless steel, ceramic nonstick, PFAS PFOA free, multi-clad, induction compatible, dishwasher safe, oven safe, diamond infused, silver, frying pan, skillet. Cons: nonstick may degrade, can lose nonstick over time, not always fully nonstick, may not handle high heat well. Stainless can be harder to clean, potential for uneven heating, handle might get hot, durability of coating? Metal utensils not always safe, price can be higher. Features: blue diamond, tri-ply, stainless steel, ceramic nonstick 9.5 inch pan 11 inch pan, frying pan, skillet, PFAS free, PFOA free. This blue diamond tri-ply cookware set includes 9.5 inch and 11 inch frying pans or skillets made with stainless steel layers around an aluminum core for good heat. The inside has a ceramic nonstick coating that is infused with diamonds, which makes it strong and helps food not stick. This set is safe to use because it doesn't have harmful chemicals called PFAS and PFOA. You can use these pans on all kinds of stoves, even induction ones, and they can go in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. They can also be used in the oven. The blue diamond tri-ply cookware set features a silver tri-ply stainless steel body with a ceramic nonstick coating that is advertised as PFAS and PFOA free and diamond infused. This multi-clad construction is designed for even heating and is compatible with induction cooktops, as well as being dishwasher and oven safe. While the nonstick surface offers easy food release and cleanup, it may degrade over time and might not always be completely non-stick or handle very high heat effectively. The stainless steel exterior can be more challenging to clean, and there's a possibility of uneven heating and hot handles. The durability of the nonstick coating is a consideration, and metal utensils may not be suitable for use. Although this type of cookware can come with a higher price, it aims to provide a durable and versatile cooking experience.